Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and one more temple design I'm showing you today. Earlier I've shown you this same design in walnut finish, a little darker finish with gold leafing. This one is teak finish with golden highlights. The size is 5 feet left to right, front to back this is 27 inches, total height is 7.5 feet, platform from the ground is 18 inches. The top part is approx 2 feet high. And these all together make this unit complete. The storage, the garbhagriha and the gopuram part on the top. Apart from that, the carving, the master artisan work that you see in the unit. Beautiful peacocks right in the middle, on the sides, elephants on under the pillar, and then we have carving on the front part, a complete carved storage area. Along with that, we have here is a bhog tray. Bhog tray is a big tray and it is required on some occasions when we offer a lot of things to our gods. So we need to place either a extra stool or extra table, but this works fine. So you don't need an extra table to be placed, and this bhog tray works for that purpose. Then we have drawers in the middle, one and two drawers, and cabinet on the side, and similarly on the other side. So quite good storage area in teak wood, and the work you can see here with four shelves here. And if you see this design, this is more like BAPS, the Swaminarayan temple design, and this one works like that, so with four idols or the pictures sitting here. So for the Swaminarayan temple, this is the best design, and also in ISKCON temples, the similar design works. We have made earlier for Ranchi, for Patna, and I think Delhi. We have provided bigger units and the similar design and pattern. The work is handicraft, handwork, done by master artisans in real, original solid teak wood, and the work is speaking for itself. We have hundreds of designs that are customized as per the client's requirement, because that is the first and foremost thing in a home temple. The size that you require, how you pray, the puja traditions, the gopuram part, with door, without door, with LED lighting at the back, with 2D cutting on the front, any ways you want. And if you look the designs on the website, you will find all of them listed there. All of these designs have videos on YouTube, detailed videos, and the testimonials part is the most important and very good reference point, where you can see what others have bought from across the globe, how they have decorated their temples, how the murti inside the garbhagriha are placed, the step part. You can see there how people have used the steps, the curtain, the doors, and this reference point is really helpful in deciding your own unit. We deliver across the globe, in India or out of India, and we have delivered to Middle East, USA, Europe, Australia, Japan, New Zealand, and African countries, and most of the world we have covered with temples, because Sanatan Dharmis, the people who follow Sanatan Dharma, are everywhere. And we love our tradition, and we always want a home temple, our God's temple, along with our home, that should be there in our homes. One design here, more designs on the website. Please select what you like. Let us know what changes you want. We'll make it and deliver at your home at factory price, because we make here and we deliver to your home. There is no commission agent, no trader, no middleman in the middle. So the cost is always the best price and door delivery. Hope you like our work. If you have any question, the number is right here. You're more than welcome to ask anything and discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.